So could you explain that a little further?
Sure.
What does that really mean?
So I don't know if everybody's seen it today, but they used to have the whack-a-mole game where you'd get out the mallet and you'd bang, little, what were they?
Gophers.
Gophers that popped up. Probably couldn't get away with that today, but yeah, you bang the gophers and it's just whack-a-mole. You're constantly just reacting. It's reaction mode. And so what we've seen is a lot of agencies and in-house marketing departments, because they lack a strategy, because they lack some of those foundational elements, they just do tactical implementation. And as I mentioned already, they need to do more and more and more. And then they measure and they report on metrics that don't have anything to do with a return on investment. And so let me make something clear too. Return on investment from marketing, in my opinion, is quantifiable sales from new customers or improved sales from existing customers due to a marketing effort. And I'm not saying that the sales team doesn't have a part in that, because they have a huge part in that. So does customer service. But it's a triad of teams between marketing, sales, and customer service that need to make these results happen. And most other marketing programs don't think that way. They think, I'm going to go out and I'm going to improve brand awareness, so let's track website visitors. Oh, well, we're doing our job, website visitors increased. We got impressions. All these things mean nothing. We got a lot of likes. We got new followers on our Twitter channel. These are great metrics and they should be tracked. They're just not leading to return on investment.